What's up guys, today we are going to continue the tutorial on how to solve the 3x3 Rubik's Cube. Today we are going to be doing the middle layer, so if you missed my last video on how to solve the first layer, make sure you check that one out. Okay, now that you have the first layer solved, we are going to flip the cube around. Today we are going to be solving these edge pieces in the middle. So what you're going to look for is any edge piece that does not have yellow, like this. This doesn't have yellow, so you turn it and match it up with its middle piece and decide where it needs to go. Does it need to go on the left or on the right? Well, we know it needs to go on the right because this is orange. So if you need to put your edge piece on the right, then you do this algorithm. See? So then you find another piece. Then you match it. So it needs to go on the right again. And you find another piece. It needs to go on the right again. And it needs to go on the right again. So now I'll put the algorithm for the right on the screen. So since each edge in the last scramble needs to go to the right, I'm in a scramble that has some stuff that needs to go to the left. So you turn this over here and it needs to go to the left. So you do this algorithm. Now this needs to go to the right, so you do this again. And this needs to go to the left. So we do this, 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 and this. And now the last one needs to go to the right again. So now I will put the algorithms for the pieces that needs to go to the left on the screen. Congrats, you have solved the second layer. Now all you have left is the third and last layer. But keep in mind, this is the toughest part. So you're going to want to watch my next video on the last layer. So if you like this video, leave a like and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss any more content. Thanks for watching. Bye.